Let's talk about formatting the list of sources for an APA paper. First, the page is titled References, centered at the top. Nothing fancy, just plain references. Each entry on the list represents information used in the paper and matches at least one citation in the text. It's always a good idea to cross-check that. The page is double-spaced. There are no extra spaces between the entries. The entries are listed in alphabetical order by the first word. Each entry has a hanging indent. Spacing or tabbing to create it is a hot mess. Instead, select the entry, and in the Word toolbar click Paragraph, then Special Indentation, and choose Hanging. The information for each entry is fairly predictable. To format an entry, gather the author, the publication date, the title of the smaller thing like the article or chapter, the title of the bigger thing like the journal or book, and where it came from. Punctuation, capitalization, and italics are important to APA geeks. Pay attention to the examples and get it right. Who wants to lose points when all you have to do is copy the stuff? Now, about this whole DOI thing. DOIs are the new retrieval information. Drop the retrieved from whatever website.com and add the DOI. To format an online journal article with a DOI, begin as you always did with the author, then the date, article title, journal title, volume and issue, page numbers, and last, the DOI. If you can't find the DOI and you've already checked the database and the journal's homepage on the web, then replace the non-existent DOI with the URL of the journal's home page. If a book is used as a reference, it's usually only a chapter or two. Rather than citing the whole book, create an individual reference entry for each chapter. For an online book chapter, format it like this, using the retrieval information. To format information from a website, only 4 items are needed. Number 1, author, 2, date, 3, page title, and 4, URL of the page. What if the web page is missing something needed for the entry? Often there isn't a date on the web material. The copyright doesn't count because it's usually updated annually. When you can't find a date, put ND for no date. If there isn't an author, just move the title over in front of the date, and it's done. Did you know that many databases will format your citation for you? Look for a Cite button. It's easy to copy and paste the entry into your references, but always check it for errors. Thanks for checking out this video. If you have more questions, ask a librarian. Was this video helpful? We'd appreciate your feedback. Please let us know. Thanks.